Hello, my name's Bob Fawcett, and today I'm going to give you a little ukulele lesson on a song called the Manistee River Song by Jim Crockett. I think it's one of the finest folk songs to come out of northern Michigan, really, and it should be in your repertoire. It's a pretty easy song chordally. Chord-wise, there's just 3 chords: the C, the F, and the G. And I play it with a sort of alternating bass pattern. It's in 3/4 time, so the first beat is my stroking either the C string, and then I have 2 up strums, and then the G string and 2 up strums. That kind of alternating rhythm, which works on all 3 chords reasonably well. And the structure of the song is such that there's first a verse that becomes the chorus. It's then the second verse, and then we repeat the first verse, which is the chorus. Then there's the third verse, and then finally the chorus again to close out the song. But I will give you the pattern of the chords through the song this way. Here's our intro. So a fairly simple structure that way. And next you can hear me do the whole song. And have fun with this. It's a good way to practice those chords if you're just starting out on the ukulele. And it's also, if you haven't done the finger strumming of single strings, this is a good way to introduce you to that. Thank you, and we'll see you again on the internet sometime. So let's kind of go through the chordal structure of the song. It starts off with the 4 measures in the introduction with the C chord, like this. And actually, many times the first word of the verse that you're singing begins on the final upward strum of that last measure. In this case, it would be like when we're singing the Manistee River, the is actually enunciated on that 3rd beat, the final upstroke in the introduction. Let me show you. The Manistee River runs near my C23, C23, C2. Sit on its G23, G23, G23. Sailing along C3, C23, C2. Plays with my F23, F23, F2. Eases my C23, C23, C23. Finest old lady, 3 lady. F23, F23, C23, C23. finest old G23, G23, F23, F23, C23, C23. So I'll give you the whole shebang here next, and that will be easy to follow, I think. Hello, my name's Bob Fawcett, and I'm going to play for you the Manistee River Song, written by Jim Crockett, played on a tenor ukulele. The Manistee River runs near my home. I sit on her banks when I'm feeling alone. She plays with my spirit, eases my bones. She's the finest old lady I've ever known. My daddy was a blind man, but oh, he could see. He raised up my brothers, my sister and me. He married my mother. It didn't last long. She went to Chicago. She never came home. The Manistee River runs near my home. I sit on her banks when I'm feeling alone. She plays with my spirit. She eases my bones. She's the finest old lady I've ever known. If you see my mother, tell her for me I've got a fine wife, a tiny baby. I got cows in the stable, nice piece of land. I go to my river whenever I can. The Manistee River runs near my home. I sit on her banks when I'm feeling alone. She plays with my spirit. She eases my bones. She's the finest old lady I've ever known. Finest old lady